Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 15th, 2022. Mullen Automotive. And this is the biggest short squeeze that's about to go down in this particular market. Welcome to HueFin. I'm going to talk about that today. Y'all appreciate it? Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel because I don't pay attention to nothing else but the price chart. Nothing but price matters. And where can we get everyone's idea or consensus as to what they think a price is going to go? Yeah, the price chart. So we just need to focus in on the price chart to see what the majority of the market is trying to do. You guys can tell here that the volume in the Mullen Automotive has been increasing. So what's going on? It seems like more life is coming into this stock. We got to pay attention when that happens because there's might be some opportunities here. So before I get started, join the team, join the community, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap the bell notification as well because I make this simple. I make sure that we are in position. I give us the edge so that we can capitalize on the market moves. So let's talk about this real quick. You guys can tell that the market in Mullen has been seeing a lot of hype lately, right? All of this volume, we have to pay attention. Like, what is causing all of this volume? Is it the short squeeze? People are paying attention to the stock now, obviously. This is not regular retailers coming into this market creating all of this volume. Something is going on because maybe this market was being shorted. What do you all think? This stock was trading around $14 just last year, November 2021, and it went through a massive short. You see that? The price continues to go down lower and lower, and now this volume is increasing. So maybe whoever was shorting the market in Mullen back in November, October, September timeframe of last year, now they're trying to buy it back. Look at this. One thing we need to keep note of is to see that this particular stock is in the trend. Now, this is not one of those come in and hold for the next 5 years. This is not even one of those where you put everything out on the table. No, this is one you just nibble on, right? Because this is going to be real volatile. And it's going to happen relatively quick. So if you're not able to be a little bit more vigilant at looking at how price action occurs over the next couple of days, you should not be participating in this market. You're going to get some wild swings. It's what I'm trying to get you all to know in this market right now in Mullins until the short covering stops. All right. So one thing we can confirm is that yes, this stock is still in a upward trend. We need to see that. So even if Mullins was to come down to this ascending line, guess what? My anticipation is still that this stock is going to go up. Okay. Secondly, not only is the market in a uptrend in Mullins, we can still tell that generally we're still in a support area as well. So if the price in Mullins was to come down to $1.37, and we still see the buyers and the market maintain $1.37, it still shows that they're having the ability to go up. All right, so these are the two catch points that we need to make sure that the buyers come in and hold price. $1.37, no lower than this trend. If it breaks this trend, yeah, this market is anticipated not to go up. Okay, so I'm gonna keep that drawn there. The next thing you guys can tell is that we hit restriction. We bumped our heads into the market in Mullen just yesterday. So $2 is restriction. This is where the selling occurred. This is where the market tried to fall back down. Okay. So in order to not become greedy, in order to not see price in Mullen to, let's say, go to $15, we got to recognize where the lids are. And this is one of the locations to where the lid into the market in Mullen occurred. All right. So let me show you all the hourly time frame here, because I want you all to see this here too. Even on an hourly perspective, this market is still in an uptrend, right? We're still seeing Mullen generally is in an uptrend. Fantastic. Now, are we done with the buying? Is the market done going up? So far, no. I wouldn't say that the market is done with going up right now. because of that $1.37 and that ascending line, right? You guys can see here on the 45-minute chart that yes, there's still some selling here. That is why our pre-market, the market is currently around $1.60. That's cool. Look at this on the 15-minute chart. What about 30-minute? So yeah, from out the gate, the anticipation is for the price and the Mullen to come down. We can anticipate that. But from the daily perspective, I don't really see that this market is actually through with coming down. So I really want us to pay attention to see if price breaks 150 to $1.37. If price upholds $1.37, then I'm still going to expect the price in Mullen to go up. It's just that simple. Okay. So it might get a little rocky the first couple of hours into the market in Mullins, but generally we're still anticipating that this stock is still geared for higher prices, right? So from out the gate, yeah, be prepared for the price to come down. That's why I'm trying to gauge and show you all $1.37, $1.40 is the place, the location that the market needs to hold. $1.20, no lower than $1.20. All right. So check this out. Let me go ahead and drop a price prediction here on the chart in the market for Mullen. Again, this is not a long-term play. This is not one of those to where you hold out for months. We're just trying to play this for a short period of time. Once the run up is done, you let it go. Don't become emotional. Don't become convicted, as so many of these YouTubers trying to get you all to do. We're not here to get convicted. We're here to make money. We're not here to have a belief. We're here to make money. So let's do this real quick. Okay. So we already got those areas that we need to see price hold. $1.40, $1.37, no lower than $1.20, right? So let me bring this up here to $1.20. All right. So if price comes down to this trend right here, and let's say it doesn't break it, but it trades and it hugs it and it continues to go up, that still tells you that the market is still primed for higher prices. But if we break this trend on weakness and the market just does this and just goes straight down, yeah, let that go. Right? So let me see. How high can we see the market in Mullen go? I'm looking, it could possibly hit $3 to even $4, right? I'm looking for the market at least to possibly hit $3. Might be a little lower. Something like 275. That's around 55% profitability into the market in Mullen. Okay. So I would say $2.75 to $3. That's what I'm looking at. So that gives us around what, 68, almost 70% run up. Now, if the short squeeze continues to happen, what I'm dropping on the chart now is it won't even be applicable. The market might need to hit $10, $11, $12, right? Come all the way back up here to these highs that it once was towards the end of the last year. But I just want us to try to get prepared to show you where we can get the selling. And it's right there around $2.75 to $3 first. But then again, if you guys don't see selling coming to the market here, then it tells you that the market's going to continue to go up. Next level is going to be $4. Next level is going to be $5, right? You just have to look at to where the selling really comes in and pushes down this stock's price. But right now, yeah, I'm going to look for this market in Mullen to go up to the upside. All right, so that's it. Let me know, what do you all think? Where do you think the price in Mullen is headed as we approach the ending of this week, going into next week, going into the month of April? Let me know. So far, the market is still primed for some higher prices from the chart perspective, but I want to know, what do you all think? So hit me up and let me know. All right, make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.